Hey there, shark enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving deep into a topic that's on the minds of many beachgoers and surfers: shark attacks. We'll be sharing some crucial tips on how to avoid, and in rare event of an encounter, survive a shark attack. But remember, the best way to stay safe is to understand and respect these incredible creatures. So let's get started. First things first. First of all, let us know what a shark is. It is a type of fish that is characterized by its streamlined body and multiple rows of sharp teeth. With over 500 species, sharks are found in oceans worldwide and are diverse in size and habitat. They are known for their predatory nature, serving as apex predators in marine ecosystems and playing a crucial role in maintaining the balance of marine life. Now let's dive into tips on how to avoid a shark attack. Know the risk. Understand where and when shark attacks are more likely to occur in the area you will be swimming or surfing. Sharks are saltwater creatures. The ocean is their home. We are the visitors. River mouths are not the best place to swim. Lot of awful attacks occur in river mouths where there is silt and other material in suspension in the river. People washing their clothes, people washing themselves. Sad peers. Sharks are more likely to make mistakes in clear water, so opt out for clear areas over murky ones. Avoid fishing areas. Avoid areas with lots of fishing activity and areas with lots of bait fish which can attract sharks. Before you go in, watch for unusual fish activity, such as a whole bunch of small and medium-sized fish jumping out of water. That's a possible sign a shark may be nearby. It is also advised to not swim within roughly 50 yards of where someone is fishing from shore. Do not wear shiny objects in the water. Be careful with jewelry, anything that flashes, because sharks are always looking for fish. In murky water, a shark may think that flash is a sign of a meal, and you don't want your hand or foot to get confused with that. Have shark deterrents. Consider carrying shark deterrent devices in case you are going for a swim or surfing. For added protection, the actual shark attacks are incredibly rare. However, getting up close and personal with a shark can be a nerve-wracking experience. The question is, what to do if you encounter a shark? So, here are some tips on how to survive a shark attack. Stay calm. If you encounter a shark, staying calm and avoiding sudden movements is essential. Like many animals, sharks may feel threatened by sudden movements, and panic can make the situation worse. To avoid triggering a shark's predatory instincts, it's best to maintain eye contact with the shark and avoid sudden jerky movements. By doing so, the shark may be less likely to attack, as it will feel that you are aware of its presence. Stay equipped and vertical. When you are in the water, it's important to be cautious. Never turn your back on them and try to stay upright with your feet below you. Sharks are more likely to attack if they see you as a prey near the surface. If you have the access to any protective gear like a spear or a boat paddle, use it to defend yourself. React instantly. If a shark attacks, it's crucial to protect your vital areas, head, neck and torso, as best as possible. Use your fists, elbows and knees to fend off the shark. Move slowly and steadily towards the shore or a boat. The less time you spend in the water, the lower your risk of further attacks. If you're with others, signal for help immediately. The more people are aware of the situation, the better your chances of getting help. Be wise and informed. If you ever get bitten by a shark, seeking medical attention immediately is crucial, as it can be quite severe and requires prompt treatment. Different shark species pose different risks and exhibit different behaviors, so understanding the kind of shark you may encounter can be beneficial. Travel responsibly. Climate change is also contributing to the issue of shark-human encounters. A study revealed that as the ocean temperatures continue to rise, sharks are moving away from their warm and less populated habitats in the south towards cooler, more crowded waters in the north. This migration has made shark-human encounters more frequent. To minimize your environmental impact, reducing waste, conserving resources, and supporting eco-friendly practices is essential. You should prioritize ethical wildlife interactions and avoid activities that could harm animals and other habitats. This was our today's video all about. Remember, shark attacks are incredibly rare, and sharks play a crucial role in maintaining the health of our oceans. By following these tips and respecting their habitat, you can enjoy the beach and ocean while minimizing the risk of shark encounters. Stay safe out there, and until next time, keep exploring and learning about the amazing world beneath the waves. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care.